Come on in. Here. So today we have another house tour or hotel tour. This is the Akmani Legian Hotel in Bali, Indonesia. Check out this room. You can see that we have this king size bed right here, and we have obviously this desk and this TV. But straight away I want to bring you outside because this is the deluxe room, and so we have easy poolside access. We just walk out and you can check out how beautiful this pool is, and looking up the rest of the hotel. And if you listen carefully, you can hear music playing. And what that is it's a rooftop bar and pool. So we'll probably check that out a bit later. But coming back inside to view the rest of the room. Ooh, another thing to note, this towel. Can anyone guess what this towel is? This creature? Yes, if you said elephant, you're wrong, because I think that's supposed to be a pig. Because here in Indonesia, I think you eat whole baby pigs.
Do they eat dog?
I don't know, we'll find out if we get to eat one. So cool. In here, this is our bathroom. Obviously, toilet down here. Look down. There's a toilet, and there's a bidet if you want to use it. So that's always a nice feature. We have a bathtub here if you want to take a nice bath. Very large mirror to do your mirroring activities. And then, yeah, we'll end it off here with this nice looking shower and wooden decor. So very neat, and yeah, that just wraps up our tour of the Akmani Legian Deluxe Room. We will part ways right now. So